Welcome to Gem Launch. In this guide, we'll walk you through creating a fair launch for your project. A fair launch means that everyone will pay the same price for tokens once the launch ends, creating a level playing field for all investors. Let's dive into the steps to set it up on Gem Launch. To get started, connect your wallet, then go to the Gem Launch homepage and click on Create Fair Launch followed by Create Launchpad. This will take you to the Fair Launch creation page. If you already have a token, simply input the token address. If not, you can create a new token directly from this interface. Once your token is verified, you'll move on to setting up the Fair Launch. Now it's time to enter the Fair Launch information. Let's go over the key parameters you'll need to fill in. Total selling amount. This is the number of tokens you'll offer during the fair launch. This amount will be distributed to all investors who participate at the same final price. Soft cap. Set a soft cap as the minimum fundraising goal. This amount should be realistic, as it determines whether the launch is considered a success. Max contribution. Per user. Specify the maximum amount each user can contribute. This helps prevent single buyers from purchasing an excessive amount of tokens. Select router exchange. Choose your preferred router exchange, like PancakeSwap. This will be where the tokens are initially listed after the launch. Liquidity %. Enter the percentage of raised funds to be allocated to the liquidity pool. A minimum of 51% is required, with a maximum of 100%. For launches with a buyback feature, ensure the combined buyback and liquidity percentage is at least 51%. Start and end time. Set the launch start and end times. Remember, the end time must be later than the start time. Lockup time for liquidity pool. Specify the duration for which liquidity will be locked. This adds an extra layer of security for investors. Now, let's add some details that will help investors trust and understand your project. Logo, URL, and website. These fields are mandatory and can't be left blank. Make sure your logo URL is in a supported format like .png, .jpg, .jpeg, or .gif. When you've entered all additional information, click Next to proceed. Take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered. This is your last chance to make adjustments before submitting. When you're confident everything is correct, click Approve Spending Token to authorize the transaction in MetaMask. After confirming, click Submit to finalize your fair launch setup. MetaMask will prompt you to approve the final transaction and display any associated fees. Be sure to double-check all the details. When you're ready, click Confirm to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully set up a fair launch on Gem Launch. This type of launch offers a transparent and fair way for all investors to participate at an equal price, boosting trust and long-term engagement in your project. Thanks for following along and best of luck with your fair launch.